Welcome to Mindfulness with Micah. Today, our practice, once again, is about gratitude, but we are going to focus on how really fortunate we are to have the food we eat and the water we have, everything that nourishes us. Okay, so right now, I'd like you to take a comfortable seat, legs crossed, or sitting on a chair, sitting on a bed, whatever feels most comfortable to you. And we're going to begin with 3 mindful breaths. So, mindful breath is just a breath that you really take your time with, okay? So, perhaps close your eyes or soften your gaze or look down. You're going to take a deep breath in for 3 seconds. And breathing out slowly for 3 seconds. Beautiful. Let's do that a couple more times. Breathing in and breathing out. Beautiful. Just feel your body begin to settle down. Maybe even feel your mind begin to slow down. And as you continue with your breath, just notice the thoughts that come up. Notice if your mind starts to wander, and just do your very best to come back to your breath. And so in my classroom, which many of you boys and girls have attended my classes, I like to start off with a mindful minute. So it's just 1 minute of you just breathing on your own, taking your time and being in silence. So let's do our 1 minute challenge. You ready? So stay up nice and tall and straight. Breathing in and breathing out. Starting now. Good job, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. So let's just add a little bit of movement to the body. So let's roll the shoulders back and down. Breathing in and breathing out. Still breathing deeply. Good. And reversing. You can still keep your eyes closed if you'd like to. And then coming to stillness. And just gently, a little neck roll. Just allow your head to drift to the left and to the right. And up and down. Being mindful not to drop your head too far back. Just kind of coming to neutral. Rolling around. Good. And reversing your roll, whichever way you were going, go the opposite way. Beautiful. A couple more times. Good job. And coming back to center. And this time when we breathe in, stretch up into the air, really stretching up. Big breath in. As you exhale, open up your heart center. Let your heart shine. Breathing out as your arms drift down. Inhaling, breathing up, really stretching up. And exhaling, coming down. Good. Breathing in one more time. Really stretching up. And exhaling, floating down once again. Beautiful. So bring your hands to your knees now. And this time when you inhale, bring your heart center to the sky, shining out all your love. And exhaling, pushing your belly button to your spine and pushing out all the air. Slowly inhaling, breathing in. And exhaling, breathing out. Beautiful, pushing out all the air. One more deep breath in. Breathing in, heart center shining bright. Full of love, and exhaling, breathing out. Good. And coming back to center. And this time we're going to put our hands on our knees once again, and we're just going to rotate, kind of like rotating your torso around like you're in a mixing bowl. Inhaling to center, exhaling to the back. Still anchoring your breath, your awareness to your breath, rather. And reversing. It's very good to do a little movement in the morning. Good job. Nice. Back to the center. And let's take a deep breath in. Tense your body a little bit. Tense, tense, tense. And exhale. Good. Let's breathe in again. Tense, tense, tense. And exhale one more time. Breathing in. Tense up like you've just tasted something sour. Scrunch up your face. And exhale. Beautiful. And shake it out gently. Beautiful. And so, if you had time, sorry I didn't say it before, I just thought, today would be a great day to give thanks for food. I don't know about you, but I love food. And before I eat anything, I always like to acknowledge either the people who made the food or provided it, the farmers. But I just want to take a moment with you all to maybe take your drink, if you have your drink nearby, or if you have your snack. Just take whatever it is that you're being grateful for right now. And if you don't have anything, that's fine. You can use your imagination. We love imagination here. And just take your beautiful beverage or your food and take a deep breath in and just really smell it. And just think about the process it took to get here for you. If you're just having a glass of water, perhaps think about how amazing it is that we can just turn on our taps and fresh drinking water comes out of our taps. Perhaps you're having some orange juice. And imagine, think back to all the people and maybe even all the creatures that help to make that orange juice possible. The bees had to pollinate. Someone picked the oranges. The person who helped to transport the oranges to maybe the juice factory or to the store. And think about maybe even the store where you got the orange juice from. Think about all of the different hands, all the different people that were a part of this process to make this possible. And maybe even put your hand over your heart. Take a moment to think of them all. Big breath in. And as you breathe out, send your love and your gratitude to all of those people. Because without them, we wouldn't have the amazing, nutritious meals that we have each and every day, and we're very, very fortunate. Maybe take a sip. And just notice the flavors in your mouth. And just imagine that this food, this beverage or snack that you're taking in is nourishing you completely. Maybe take another sip or another taste. I also have a snack of apples. And I know that there are many hands that help to make this possible. And just notice the flavors in your mouth when you take your time to really enjoy the food. And when you really enjoy and take your time with what you're eating, it's like you're being even more grateful for the many people who helped to provide this food for you. Or even giving thanks to your parents. Do you say thank you, mom or dad or auntie or uncle or whoever's making the food for you? Because a lot of love goes into every meal. So we're going to end this little practice with another moment of stillness before we have our little goodbye and recap of how our experience was today. So putting your snack down or your tea down. Finding stillness once again. You can lie down if you'd like to, or you can just sit mindfully and relaxed. Just imagine wherever you are, a beautiful white light of healing and protective energy all around your body. Starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down your body to your shoulders, down your arms, back your stomach, down your legs, to the tips of your toes, like a great big bubble of safety, love, and happiness. Knowing that you are completely safe and healthy in your bubble each and every day. Finding your stillness. And notice if you're a little bit more relaxed now than you were before. And if you're lying down, feeling extra relaxed, take a few more moments, a few more mindful breaths before you add movement into your body once again. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Maybe take a big breath in and give yourself a great big hug. Your knees on your chest, or just if you're sitting there, just give yourself a hug for showing up this morning. Maybe a little pat on the back. Good job. Knowing that you are so loved and you are so fabulous this morning. Beautiful. So for our friends on YouTube, we're going to say goodbye and namaste. Before I do my little debriefing with my friends on Zoom, have a wonderful day.